how to square numbers near to 50, 50 to 70. See, actually, these can square very easily 30 to 70. Actually, the principle is very simple. See, suppose 54 we want to square. So what we have to do is just compare this number with 50. See, 54 is 4 more than 50. So what we have to do is we have to just add this extra 4 to this number. We have to add to 25 slash, and whatever this extra we have to square it. That's it. See, 25 plus 4 is 29. 4 square is 4 into 4, that is 60. So friends, this is the answer. See, very simple. So all you have to do is see the number. Suppose 59 square. So what we have to do, this is 9 more than 50, just add this 9 to 25, okay, slash this extra square. So this is 34 and 9 square is 81. This is the answer, friends. Like this we can square up to 70. Suppose 67 square. So 67 is how much more than 50 we have to see. This is 17 more than 50. 25 plus 17 slash 17 square. See, you should know the fundamentals actually. Suppose this will become 42. Okay. Now 17 square. 17 square equal to 17 plus 7 slash 7 square. This is 24. This is 49. So 289. So 289. Friends, we have space for only 2 digits on our right side. We got extra, so just carry forward. The answer is 44. 80. Okay. See, the near we are going to 50, it will be easy. And the more you are going away from 50, it is difficult. Like this also same. Actually, suppose I want to do some small problems. 52 square. So as I said earlier, 2 is extra. Add 2 to 25 slash 2 square. So friends, this is 27 and we got 2 square is 4. See, we got only single digit. So what we have to do is just add 0 before that. So this is the answer. And again, see, 53 square. So no need to solve actually. 53 is 3 more than 50. 25 plus 3 is 28. 3 square is 9. So a single digit, you just add it. Like this we can. Okay, coming to 49. Suppose 49 square. Now what we have to do? Concept is simple. We have to compare this 49 with 50. See, 49 is 1 less than 50. So what we have to do is 25 minus 1 slash 1 square. See, friends, 25 minus 1 is 24. 1 square is 1. So 0, 1, because we got only single digit, but we have space for 2 digits. So just add 0. So this is the answer, friends. Suppose 47 square. So what we have to do? 47 is 3 less than 50. 25 minus 3 slash 3 square, that is 22 3 square is 9. We have space for 2 digits. Just add 0. Suppose coming to 46 square. See friends, we need not have to solve actually, but for you I am doing this. See 25 minus 4. 46 is 4 less than 50, so 4 square. This is 25 minus 1 is 21. 4 square is 16. So tell me now, do we need to calculate actually? No need. See, no need to do that. So what we have to do is 46 is 4 less than 50. So 25 minus 4 is 21. 4 square is 16. Straight away in your mind you can do that. So this is the power of Vedic maths actually. The principle is very simple. Compare the number with 50 and how much more than 50, how much less than 50. That more or less you have to subtract or add and do the square to that particular number. That's it. Thank you friends. Thank you.